Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to write your first C++ program. C++ is a very fast and powerful programming language suitable for all kinds of games, library, and application development. First, you need to create a .cpp file. Then you include the IO stream header. It contains the necessary libraries like input and output. To avoid referring to the standard library every time you call an object, you can use the namespace std. Always remember to end the instruction in C++ with semicolon. This main function is the entry of a C++ program. It has no parameter, it's returned integers, and its body is between the two braces. See an instruction or statement in C++. I'm printing a string on a screen. The object allows me to do that. This is from the standard library. Any object allows me to create a new line. This is another instruction. This final instruction returns zeros to indicate that the program ends successfully. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Goodbye.